everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this DIY, we are going to take this box that I picked up from Dollar Tree a long time ago, maybe even last year, and I'm sure I got it in the $3 and $5 section. So, as you can see, Eden got a hold of the box and she did some markings on it. That's not going to be a problem because I'm going to spray paint this. She even did some stuff on the inside, so look. So we're going to take this box that she had a ball with, and we are going to spray paint it silver on the outside and on the inside, and maybe even the bottom as well. So this is going to be our Father's Day jewelry box, so let's get started. I have 4 boxes of figurines. These are figurines from Temu.com, and I want to add one of them to my box. Now I have 2 male figurines and 2 female figurines, so of course we're going to go with the male figurines. But I decided to show you all 4. Now Temu has quite a few of these. I think maybe 18 or 20 different ones that you can choose from. We have David. We have Mozart. We have the Piano Girl. And then we have the Crown Goddess. I'm not sure if I want to go with Mozart or David. I'll figure it out as I make the box. I'll see which one feels better to me. But for now, I'm going to take them outside and spray paint them silver. Okay guys, so I'm back and here is the box. And here's the inside. I didn't spray this so much because we might do something with that later. I want to remove these little tabs. So if you have a man around the house, get him to pull these tabs out for you. Okay, so now we have this. Next up, I have this removable tile decal that I found at Dollar Tree. And it has a masculine look to me. As soon as I seen it, I thought it'd be nice on a jewelry box. So what I'm going to do is just trace this out. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and cut this out. So I'm going to use my cutter to make sure I have straight lines. I purchased this cutter on Amazon.com. And when you use this cutter, press down as you come through. I still have a little bit of my red marker on here, so I'm just going to put some alcohol on here to take that off. Okay, so now we have a good fit. I like how it's looking already. And here I have another one. I want to cut out some of the hexagons and just place them around my box. Just add a few here. I know this is not going to stick as well as I want it to, so what I'm just going to do is just add a few more here and there, and then once I do that, I'll pull it off, then I'll add some Wicked Stick to it to make sure that it stays in place. So now I'm going to use this to make sure I have a straight line. Now I'm actually just designing this as I go. Now you don't have to follow my design, you can do whatever design you like. Alright, so let's get started. Put our Wicked Stick it down. Okay, so the Wicked Stick it has set up. So now I'm going to go ahead and start putting our pieces back together. This is our front piece. This is going to stay permanent. This piece goes here. Okay, so this is our box so far. I like the way it's coming together. Okay. I'm going to use some of my Gorilla Glue to glue this back in place. I applied some masking tape to hold it in place while the glue sets up. So I'm going to let this set up for about an hour, then I come back and move on to the next step. I put down some paper to protect my surface. I put some more Wicked Stick It into this container. And now I'll apply the adhesive to the exposed parts of the base of the box. And this is where we will put our glitter. I have some glitter from Walmart and I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle on here. So now I'm going to take one of my Dollar Tree baby wipes. I'm just going to go in here and clean up wherever I need to. Okay, so this is what we have so far. I'm going to let that dry. Then I'm going to come in with another coat of Wicked Stick It. And you can also use Mod Podge or whatever glue that you like for your glitter. Maybe even tack it if you have it. But again, I'm going to come in with another coat of the Wicked Stick It and then add one more coat of glitter. And then we'll seal it with some hairspray. So I've cleaned it up a lot. You can still see glitter here and there. But we'll get that later because I still need to seal the glitter. And I'm going to use hairspray to seal it. I'm going to use this hairspray and it's called Got to Be Glued. It's really, really good. You can use any like extra firm holding hairspray from like Dollar Tree. It works too. Give it a really good spray. So now I'm going to take my heat gun and blow it. I think I wiped this down while it's still wet. So I'm going to spray it one more time with the hairspray, wipe down the towels, and then dry it, and then we'll come back. Okay guys, so now I'm done setting my glitter. So just looking at it, I knew I wanted to put feet on here, but I wasn't sure about what feet I wanted to do. So I decided to use some of my tower blocks, and I'm going to glue two together. Okay. And I'm just going to take it and press it just like that. Make an L. So off camera, I went ahead and made 4 of them. This is how it will go. I decided that I want to go ahead and add one more block to each leg, just to make it a little bit more interesting. So we're going to put it right there on that corner. I'm back, and I decided I want to use some of my diamond bling. I measured already, and it's going to take 7 rows. So off camera, I went ahead and cut one strip, and I want to put it across here. Just like that. We have our bling up top. So now I want to add some rhinestones. I have a bag of rectangle shaped rhinestones. And I think these will work perfect on here. I have an idea for a pattern. We're going to start out with 6 on the side like that. And of course I'm going to use my hot glue gun. Okay, so this is the design that we have. I'll go ahead and put it on this side and then come back. Okay, so I lined up my first row here, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some glue down. Okay, so that's the first row. And now I'll put that same design on the front. Alright, so this is what the top looks like so far. And I'm really loving it. The brick actually makes it look more masculine to me. So I think it's going to really be great for a man. So what I want to do now is just add 2 more on each corner. Just like that. And I'm going to come in and add some glitter here to make it match the bottom. So now I think I will run 1 row of mirror towel right inside the box here. So let me grab my mirror towel. Okay, so I always like to keep my extra pieces of mirror towel in the bag. So now we have this piece. Let's go ahead and put it in there. You see how much of a difference that made? Okay, so now I'm going to trim around the outside of the top with mirror towel as well. As you can see, it's starting to come together. Again, I'll go all the way around the box and then come back. Okay guys, so I want to be able to match my bottom with my top. So I'm going to take one of my hexagons and add some glitter to it. So again, I'm going to take some more of my Wicked Stick It. And I think I'm going to go with this one right here. Sprinkle some glitter on it. Just like that. So cute. I could actually do another one, but I think just the one would be cool. We'll see. Okay, so I just finished sealing my glitter on all the corners and on this as well. And I went ahead and started my next step. What I'm going to do is add 1 row of mirror towel all the way around. So I have some FIXALL glue and a popsicle stick, and I'm just going to put some right here. Real thin line all the way across the bottom, because I know that mirror towel is going to come up without this extra glue. Go ahead and put the feet on here. It's like an L, and then like this. I'm going to apply the bling with some FIXALL glue. I'm going to start with the very bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put some glue here too. I went ahead and pre-cut my pieces. This piece on the bottom will take 6 of the mirror towels. And you want to push it all the way up like that, because this is going to go like this, okay? And above that we have this small piece. So this is the front of our leg. And then I have a small piece that goes here. And then on this side, go ahead and add some glue. So this is how it looks all the way around, on the side, on the front, and then right inside there. So now we want to put our feet on. I went ahead and did the other ones ahead of time, so that could be a look. But I kind of like it in a little bit. I think it gives it a little bit more dimension. So I'm just going to flip it over. But this time around, I'm going to use my Gorilla Glue to glue my feet on. Okay guys, we're almost done. So now we need to figure out which one of these figurines we want to put on the top. There's Beethoven, and then we have David. Honestly, I like the David one. For this particular box, I want to add a little bit more bling to my David. So I'm going to put some silver leaf on David's hair. I don't think I need to add glitter to him. I'm just going to do silver leaf on his hair. I'll do that and then we'll glue him down. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a little bit of Wicked Stick it to this top. And now I'll just brush it on his hair. And now I want to go ahead and add my silver leaf to David. So let's just put it right on his head and pat it down with the brush. Before we glue our David in the center, I want to show you what I've done on the inside. Off camera, I went ahead and put some glitter here all the way around. I'm going to do it here as well later. But meanwhile, I found this mirror and I want to glue it right in the center. So let's do that. Okay, so now I'll tape it in place. After that sets up, I'll come in and trim it with some bling. About an hour after I glued him in place, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and cut away the towel that's underneath him and then glue him directly to the box. And I think I want him at an angle right there. So now I'll allow this to set up overnight. Then we'll come back in, trim the mirror, add the silver glitter to the bottom part of our box. And then I'll come back and let you all see my completed box. And here's my completed Father's Day glam box. And I think the man in your life will truly love and appreciate this beautiful box. Over the last few years, I've gotten a lot of requests for bling and glam things for a man. So this is my very first piece, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Keep in mind, you can make this any time of the year. It doesn't have to be just for Father's Day. Comment below your thoughts on this box and if you would make it for the man in your life. Okay everyone, this concludes my video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, Glam fam, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching.